Normal English versus better English. Normal English. I couldn't sleep the whole night. Better English. I was tossing and turning the whole night. Normal English. New Year is coming soon. Better English. New Year is just around the corner. Normal English. I am angry with you. Better English. You're in my bad book. Normal English. She is pregnant. Better English. She is eating for two. Normal English. Why are you so angry? Better English. Why are you so pissed off? Normal English. I'm very happy. Better English. I'm over the moon. Normal English. I'm very busy. Better English. I'm swamped. Normal English. Let's meet today. Better English. Let's catch up today. Normal English. I'm very tired. Better English. I'm exhausted. Normal English. Sorry, I fell asleep. Better English. Sorry, I nodded off. Normal English. I won't tell the secret to anyone. Better English. My lips are sealed. Normal English. You're teasing me. Better English. You're winding me up. Normal English. I'm very good. Better English. I'm excellent. Normal English. I can't come tonight. Better English. I can't make it tonight. Normal English. Can I come tomorrow? Better English. Can I drop in tomorrow?